Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Soundcore Live P2. In the box itself, as you can see in the package, we have Soundcore at the top, crystal clear calls. We have here Qualcomm and we have 40 hours of playtime. You can see 10 million people use these. We have crystal clear calls in 4 microphones, 7-hour play, charge in 10 minutes, and we have a couple of other information as well. So let's begin here with unboxing it immediately. You can see the package is very good and very good colors, and we have good qualities as well. You can see inside we will find here a couple of papers. You can see they are all stuck together, and a very good way to organize your papers. Starting from this one, as you can see, we have a couple of information on how to use the Bluetooth, etc. We have how do we sound. So we have a couple of papers relating to other things. We have the Soundcore quick startup. You can see this is a user manual, and we have again the Soundcore papers to read about the company and these earphones and specifics. So after that we will find here a very good C-type USB cable, and you can see we have a wrap around it to hold together, which you don't see this always. And we have 4 different tips for the earpieces, which is a very good thing to see here. We usually have 3, here we have 4, and we have the case with earphones itself at the bottom. So you can see we have the earphones here, the right and left, and a very good case and good earphones. Let's go ahead and pop them up, plug it in our ear and try to connect them. So it's very easy to wear them and they fit pretty good. I wouldn't fear of them dropping or popping out. They fit snug enough. And you can see here at the pair new device, we have to go here and wait. You can see my device or my phone found a couple of watches and the Soundcore Live P2 at the top. And you can see we have connected, percentage of battery, and the Qualcomm at the bottom. So here in the YouTube we should test these earphones with a couple of songs. Let's search for the one that I always use. Let's turn it all the way up. The sound is clear. We have a good bass into it. I like how they feel, and I can hear myself a little bit, not too much. And you can see right now, if you press once, you play or pause the video, twice to change the next song, and we have 3 times to raise the volume. So the Soundcore P2 sounds very good and fits very good in my ear. Personally, I like them. You can see with the left one as well, we have the same options. Press once to play or pause, twice to change the song. Here in iOS as well, we have to go to the Bluetooth, and you can see Soundcore Live P2 at the bottom. And immediately they connect, which is always a good thing, very easy to connect. Let's go to the YouTube and test these out as well. It started to play. The sound is again same with the Android as in iOS. Very good sound, and they fit properly. Very good, very comfortable, which is always a good thing. So you know that you spend your money properly, and you would actually use these, not just buy them and throw them around. In iOS As I always say, I noticed a delay when you press it once to pause the song. It will pause a couple of seconds later, and you can see it's not playing again. You have to manually press it, so you can double tap to change the song, which is a little bit frustrating because we used to use these options. So here at the PC you can connect the Soundcore P2 as well, and you can see immediately the Soundcore is the first Bluetooth device that my laptop found. So we have the same song that we did in iOS. The sound is coming same, very good sound. So I personally would use these earphones while I'm editing or working in my laptop. I would connect them and use them while traveling or working out or working in my laptop. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.